Hello, this is Eric Parnell, Chief Market Strategist from Great Valley Advisor Group. It's hard to believe we're in the second half of the year, so it's worthwhile to take a look at what we should expect in the months ahead. The first thing to note is that there's good reason for optimism. The stock market remains in its long-term uptrend going all the way back to October 2022. The economic outlook remains solid, and the outlook for corporate earnings remains strong. But that doesn't mean that we shouldn't expect some short-term volatility along the way. There are a few indicators that suggest that the market may be overdue for a pullback as we continue through the summer and into the fall. The first point to note is that the market is trading well above trend. One of the things we've seen over the last 18 months is that the market has periodically pulled back to these long-term trend lines. Where we stand today, the market is trading well above its long-term trend. The second point to note is on the economic front. The economic outlook has become increasingly bumpy as we've gone through recent months. We've seen some weakness on the job front, and manufacturing data continues to be softer than we would like to see. The third point to note are readings around speculative activity in the marketplace. An indicator we've watched in this regard is the relationship between the NASDAQ 100, those favorite tech stocks, and the price of Bitcoin. While stock prices have continued higher throughout the year, we've seen the price of Bitcoin peak in February. It was trading sideways in recent months, but since the beginning of June, it has pulled back fairly sharply. It'll be interesting to see whether that feeds through to stock prices in the months ahead. So while we have good reason for optimism as we continue through the remainder of the year, these are just a few indicators to watch to suggest that we may be overdue for a pullback here as we go through the remainder of the summer. Thanks for joining me for this latest market insight, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.